So what ended up happening? It rejected again on a double top rejection, and it ran for almost, give or take, right? What is that? Almost 100 points to the downside, from 400 to 265, right? More 130 points to the downside. And that's a huge trade on some NASDAQ futures, right?
Now, in terms of the process we went over, is the first TP the low of the day?
The first, low? Exactly. So the first place I would look to take some profits is right here at this low right here, right? So I'd put that line there, and I'd go ahead and take some profits off right there. Right?
In this scenario, for example, the remaining that you're holding, where is there anywhere in this scenario where you would end up taking more?
Yeah.
Or is it not really hit a level for you?
So absolutely. So where I would start to exit more is the 50. I personally like to hit that every 20%. I'll take another little stab off. This is sort of discretionary. I wouldn't say this is some master scaling out strategy. It's just sort of discretionary in how I like to reduce risk. So let's say I hit 20% here, taking some off. Let's say I hit 40% here, taking some off, right? So I'm just sort of equaling out that curve and taking risk off as I go lower. Now, another big thing that I'm watching is what is the next level we're coming down into, right? Where do I have to exit this trade? So the next thing I'm going to focus on is where is the next level of demand? And where does the risk reward actually start to inverse against me, right? Where does it now become unlikely that we're going to continue lower, right? So where is that? Just from looking at this chart, it's pretty clear, right? It's right at the previous day low, right? So are we going to now hold full size shorts into previous day low? Probably not, right? You probably shouldn't be holding, a full short entry as we start to come down into this low. Right? So I have to do my job of knowing my levels and saying, okay, I've gotten a nice scalp. I'm up 20, 25%, 30%, and I'm starting to get pretty damn close to that low a day from the previous day. And I need to start exiting this position, right? And so you can either take it all off, understanding that. You can run it